Ready to ditch the centralized chaos and snag some Solana using your Metamask wallet? Let's dive in. First, ensure you have the Metamask browser extension installed and a wallet created. If not, head to metamask.io and follow their simple setup guide. Write down your seed phrase and keep it in a safe place. Next, we need to connect Metamask to the Solana blockchain. Since Metamask natively supports Ethereum, we'll use a bridge. Go to chainlist.org and search for Solana. Click Connect Wallet and then add to Metamask next to the Solana network. This will add the Solana network as an option within your Metamask wallet. Now it's time to bridge some assets over to Solana. Use a reputable cross-chain bridge like Allbridge or Wormhole. Connect both your Metamask Ethereum network and your Solana wallet, such as Phantom or Solflor. Choose the token you want to bridge. ETH, USDT, or USDC work well. Specify the amount and your destination Solana address. Remember to check the bridge fees. Once your bridge tokens arrive in your Solana wallet, head to a Solana-based decentralized exchange, or DEX, such as Orca or Radium. Connect your Solana wallet to the DEX, select the token you bridged over in the From field, and Solana in the To field. Enter the amount and execute the swap. And there you have it, your Solana is now safely in your Solana wallet. You can view Sol balance by connect the Solana network in Metamask, or directly on your Solana wallet like Phantom. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and check out the resources in the description below. Happy trading!